Hi, welcome to MasterCadx YouTube channel. Welcome to MasterCadx. Last class we discussed in the brass materials. So now today we are going to discuss is a nut and knock nut. Okay, first we are discussing is a nut part. How to construct the nut part. The dimension is given that is a nut part, which is it is a 12 mm and it is a dimension it is 26 and the hole it is a 12. There is a M12 type of nut over here and there is a one you can see that is a fillet that is a 5 mm and height it is a 12 mm only. So now we know that there is a in case a nut and bolt we have to follow the thumb rule, which is we are discussing in the first session in the part of flange coupling. So rule is again the same. Take any plane. If you want to go to polygon, okay, the thumb rule we know that the center point of x and y should be the center point should be same, and the corner point of either x or y you have to anyone have to place over there. This is the rule which is followed in the last video also, means in the flange coupling nut bolt. The same rule you have to apply over here. Next I'm going to give that is a distance is was it is a 26 mm and first I have to change it is a settings, which is unit is was millimeter. Apply close because all I taken is a millimeter, that's why this one also have to take in millimeter. The distance was from here to here, which is given it is 26 mm. Next it is a nut part, so that the circle you can construct it because it is a hole over there. So now I will construct it is a hole and size of this one it is a 12 mm. Next finish the sketch. The extrude amount is was it is a 12 mm. Okay, I will take any one either both side or front side, anyone is correct, which is 12 mm. Now half part is over, so only things you have to give it is a fillet. Now before in the flange coupling they are not given any dimension, we assume the dimension, but in this case we can't assume. Why? Because it's given the dimension over here. If you are given the dimension, then you have to give that value. For that one you have to select the plane so that it should be passing to corner to corner. This is edge to edge, this is a parallel, and this is a corner to corner. This is my a plane which is passing to corner to corner. Okay, so this sketch over here. Next I will be convert this one into the wireframe modeling. Okay, too easy to draw over here. So for that one, whatever the line are not visible, so I am making the visible reference line. So there is a one command, you can see the project geometry, and once is project geometry is over, then I'll construct the line, and the whatever the given is a fillet dimension. Using this one, the fillet dimension is given, it is 5 mm. It is first I'll write it is 5. Next select the edges. Okay, now using the line command I'll join this, and I'll remove that unwanted any lines are here. So this I am going to remove. So now only this amount it will be removed, but it is a revolve command you are applying. In revolve command they are asking it is also the axis line. Finish the sketch and go to the revolve command. There is a cut section, first ask the profile. This is my profile. Axis is this one. Okay, and if you go for a view command, and if I change this to solid modeling and apply the OK, so this is my final object. Now only the remaining it is a thread over here. So for that one, I will go to the 3D model and thread command and directly select the and apply. Okay, so save this file. The file name is nut. So now I'll change this to this property is it is made of mild steel. Okay, and apply, close. So this is the we are done. It is a nut part. Now same thing I will construct a knock nut using the another opening a new file, and the dimension is was you can see the knock nut. So same dimension 26, but height is 8 mm instead of 12 mm, and this one is 3, and it is a M12 type of knock nut over here. So create a sketch. Same thumb rule you are going to apply. Change the first unit. Now in the sketch, the polygon, the center point, this is the rule, the center point of x and same, and the corner point should be any of the axis. Next, the dimension was given 26 mm. The circle, the whole will be given it is 12 mm. Finish the sketch, extrude, and take the both side. It was 8 mm. Now you have to select the plane for the fillet purpose. The fillet size is 3 mm. Same, you have to select the origin, which you have to pass the corner to corner. So this is the corner to corner is passing over here. Change the solid modeling to the wireframe modeling. Again the same, you have to project the dimension, because why I'm project, you can see this, the line is not visible over here where I have to start over there. For that one, you have to the line where should it is project. So this line is not an actual line, it is a reference line. Once I take the reference line, you can see this. Now it will be exact, you can be construct over there. And next I will go to the fillet. The fillet size is given, it is 3 mm R3. First write that 3 mm and select the edges. Next join this. Point and next trim that command. Okay, and using the line command, this is my axis. Revolve, this is my plane. using the revolve command, I'll take this 2 as a profile and another axis. The material will be cut and okay. So if you want to see this in a solid modeling, so this is a solid modeling. Now using this thread, apply the thread, save this file. The name of the file is not. Okay, now next give the material. The material was, it is mild steel. Apply, close, and then save this file. Thank you for watching. In next class we are going to discuss is how to construct the